Welcome to our journey into the world of no-code app development. Today, we'll explore how you can create your very own app without any coding skills. No-code development opens doors for everyone. It's fast, cost-effective, and allows creativity to flourish. Let's take a look at some of the most popular no-code platforms available today. Creating an app with no-code tools can be broken down into simple steps. Follow along as we outline the process. When designing your app, consider essential features such as user interface, functionality, and scalability. Though no code is empowering, it's not without challenges. Let's address some common issues you may encounter. Here are inspiring real-life examples of successful no-code applications that have made an impact. To ensure your app performs well, let's discuss tips and tricks for optimization. What's next for no-code development? We'll explore emerging trends shaping the future. So, is no code the right fit for your app idea? Let's recap what we've learned.